In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right Instagram app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So to download the correct or the right Instagram app, go to Google Play Store app on your smartphone and tap on it. From here, look for this search icon, or you can also see search app here. Go ahead and tap here and then just type in Instagram. Then head over to this search icon and then tap on it. And you'll see we have Instagram here. So if I tap on it, you can see it is from Instagram. And at the time of recording this video, it has over 159 million reviews with a star rating of 4.5, and the app is currently 154 MBs with over 5 billion downloads. So if you see this, you know you are on the right app. To install it, go ahead and tap on install, and then this will go ahead and begin the download process. And because it is quite large, you have to be patient as it downloads. And once the download is done, it will be installed on your smartphone. Once the installation is done, now you can proceed and tap on open to start using it. And if you go to your apps now, you can see we have our Instagram app installed. So if you open it, this is the home logo or the home page. Now you can go ahead and log in with your username or email or phone number and password, or you can create now a new account to start using this Instagram app for Android. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.